equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. Start by powering down your Lenovo ThinkPad and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is vital for safety. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. Keep the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Now, you'll see the internal components. Begin by using the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heatsinks. This is important for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. After clearing the dust, take the microfiber cloth and gently wipe down any accessible surfaces. Avoid touching the circuit boards directly, as oils from your fingers can cause damage. If you notice any stubborn grime, lightly dampen the cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the area. Next, check the RAM and hard drive connections. If you're comfortable, you can remove the RAM sticks by releasing the clips on either side. Clean the contacts with the microfiber cloth, ensuring no dust remains. Reinsert the RAM securely. If you're unsure about this step, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. Once everything is clean, it's time to reassemble your ThinkPad. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Screw it back in place with the Phillips screwdriver, making sure not to over-tighten the screws, as this can damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it. Power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. Regular internal cleaning can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and lifespan. If you prefer not to do this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With our service, you won't have to make any calls or travel. We handle everything for you. Keeping your Lenovo ThinkPad clean is essential, and with these steps, you can ensure it runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.